Welcome back to the Vinyasa A series. Today we'll be looking at Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog, the fifth pose in the sequence initiated by an inhale. Before we begin with alignment, proper upward facing dog is performed with only the tops of the feet and hands supporting the body. At no time do the thighs touch the mat. From Chaturanga, the weight rolls from the bottoms of the toes to the tops of the feet. There is a common mistake to let the heels fall open. If you continue to keep pressing the legs away, pointing the toes and squeezing the calves, you'll find more stability and line. Letting the heels fall open essentially disconnects the upper body from the lower body. So again, keep extending through the legs and even into the toes. It's time we discuss the three main aspects of the upper body: armpits, elbows, and collarbones. For armpits, actively pushing them down will assist in elevating the body off the mat. There is a common mistake to keep the elbows in the same position as Chaturanga. However, during up dog, the elbows rotate inwards. The elbows feed directly into the collarbones. As you rotate the elbows in, the collarbones broaden, allowing more of an expansion into the upper chest. In synthesizing everything, heels up, thighs off, armpits down, elbows in, collarbones wide, we come to the last point, the head position. Instead of squeezing into the back of the neck, think about lengthening the front of the throat. This will prevent over-tensing into the neck, and you'll still get a great experience in opening the entire front line of the body. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and bell notify this channel for more content every week. The next video in this series will look at downward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you learned something new. Namaste.